This is one of my favorite castles. It's a cinematic photographer's dream, having the North Sea at the footsteps of the castle walls. It's as free as a bird flying, and a person can stay and picnic for as long as they desire, and weather permitting, of course, being Scotland. Slane's castle was not always in this ruined condition. Let me tell you the brief story. Back in 1305, Robert the Bruce became King of Scotland, and he deeded land to those who stood alongside of him and fought against King Edward I and II of England. One such person was Gilbert de Hayes. He was granted a large piece of land called the Slanes Parish on the North Sea north of Aberdeen. So for 600 years, the Hayes clan built and added to their estates at two different locations. But alas, political and religious factions making poor choices brought the clan leaders in disfavor and set in motion the eventual ruin of such an enormous estate. Have you ever felt that you've made some bad choices in life that have ruined so many areas of your life? Perhaps drugs, uncontrolled alcohol, a broken marriage, poor financial decisions, bad employment choices, promiscuity. The good news is that Jesus is able to take our ruined lives if we surrender the key to the castle of our heart. He stands at the door and knocks. He has redeemed millions whose life have been ruined. Let His light shine in you. Now sit back and soak in this beautiful footage and talk to Jesus about the things that you feel are ruined and need restoration. May this be your prayer. Dear Lord Jesus, I'm so sorry. I've ruined so much of my life, but I pray that you'll take it and turn beautiful things out of it. I surrender my life to you, and I ask you to cleanse and beautify what has been ruined by the choices that I've made. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.